It took me 10 years to learn this, but I will teach it to you in 1 minute. 1, life waits for nobody. Get up every day and keep pushing through no matter what. 2, make sure you take good care of yourself. If something happens to you, the world will move on and you will fall behind. 3, if you don't work to build your dream life, someone will hire you to build theirs. 4, work in silence. Celebrate in private. People love to ruin things. 5, don't regret your past. Just learn from it and move on. 6, no one cares. Work harder to become better each day. 7, ignore advice from anyone who doesn't live the life you want to live. 8, rule over your emotions. A calm mind can handle any situation. 9, if you find someone better than you, don't hate. Ask them for advice and cooperate with them. 10, you're truly at peace with yourself when you mind your own business.
Stay focused. Don't talk about what you're gonna do. Don't just dream about what you're gonna do. Don't criticize somebody else for what they're not doing. You be it. Be about it. Be about that action and go do it. Keep your eye on your intention. Don't let any outside distraction or your own insecurity stop you from your goals. Embrace that struggle. Surviving that struggle will strengthen you. Look how far you've come and how much you contributed. Keep pushing. Forget the fear, forget the doubt. Keep investing and keep betting on yourself.
When you are struggling and you start thinking about giving up, I want you to remember the power of hope. The belief that something better is always possible if you're willing to work for it and fight for it. If we work hard enough and believe in ourselves, then we can be whatever we dream.
Never give up. Today is not easy. Tomorrow will be even harder, but the day after tomorrow will be sunny. If you don't give up, there is still a chance. Opportunities lie where people complain, and success comes to those who keep moving forward relentlessly. Stay focused, work hard, and believe in yourself. Your time will come. Yes, the nights may feel long, and the path may seem lonely, but every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dream. Doubts will whisper in your ear, and failures may try to break your spirit, but remember why you started. Let your passion be louder than your fear. Embrace the struggle, because it's shaping the strength within you. One day, you'll look back and realize that the pain, the patience, and the perseverance were all worth it. Keep going. Your breakthrough might be just one step away.